Here comes a springy fart. Would you like me to do a fart?
Yes, please.
That was a trumpet one. Try asking me for a hard fart. Or say random.
Alexa, give me a hard fart.
Here comes a pushing hard fart. Try asking me for a springy fart. Or say random.
Alexa, random.
That was a squeaky one. Try asking me for a random fart or try a 10-second fart countdown.
Give me a relaxed fart.
Here comes a relaxed fart. Ask me how to unlock the Extreme Farts extension pack, or just say random.
Ketchup fart. Alexa, give me a ketchup fart.
Here comes a ketchup fart. Try asking me for an angry fart, or say random.
Alexa, angry fart.
Here comes an angry fart. Try asking me for a long fart, or say random.
Alexa, give me a smelly fart.
Here comes a smelly fart. Try asking me for a quick fart, or say random.
Alexa, give me a stinky fart.
Here comes a stinky fart. I have another one brewing.
Alexa,
Do you want to
give me an echo fart.
Here comes an echo fart.
Alexa, small.
Try asking me for a random fart or try.
Give me a small fart.
Here comes a small fart. Ask me how to unlock extreme
Alexa,
farts.
stop.
Okay.
Alexa, cut the cheese. Alexa, cut the cheese.
Choo choo.
Alexa, burp.
Welcome to Super Burp. I am a visitor from Planet Burp. Take me to your leader. If you enjoyed that, why not ask for a big burp next time? Do you want to keep going and see what comes up?
Hey, Alexa, stop.
Come back soon.
Alexa, can you make a burp sound?
I can't make that fart sound yet, but you can ask me something like make a fart sound.
Alexa, make a burp sound, please. Alexa, make a bell sound, please. Alexa, make a clock sound, please. Alexa, make an alarm clock sound, please. Alexa, open UTC time in Morse code skill.
Okay, here's UTC time in Morse code. UTC time is...
Hey Alexa, ask TTV to speak.
Echo. Want that again?
Stop.
Smell you later, alligator.
Alexa, open my menu.
Yes, chef. want to know about that, chef. If you would like me to go away, say quit. Or try asking again.
Stop.
Goodbye, chef.
Alexa. Oh, Alexa. Open fart sound.
These are some fart jokes and sounds I have for you. Did you fart? Because you just blew me away. Do you mind if I hang out here until it's safe back where I farted? What do you call a person that doesn't fart in public? A private tutor. What's the definition of bravery? A man with diarrhea chancing a fart. Why don't farts graduate from high school? Because they always end up getting expelled. Would you like to hear more fart sounds and jokes?
Stop.
Okay, feel free to reach out to me to play more. Goodbye.
Alexa, what can I ask Billie Eilish?
To hear from Billie, try asking, what is Billie Eilish's favorite song from her brother Phineas? Or what's some advice from Billie Eilish? Ask again for more suggestions.
Alexa, what can I ask Billie Eilish?
To hear from Billie, try asking, what is Billie Eilish's favorite movie? Or what is Billie Eilish's full name? Ask again for more suggestions.
Alexa, can you whisper?
I can whisper. I learned how after realizing that people take nap time very seriously.
Hey Google. Fart.
This is a fart.
Hey Google. Burp.
This is a burp.